Good day, millionaires! This is Benedict Bunao, property specialist at MegaWorld at the Fort, and this is Park McKinley West. Today, I'm gonna tour you with our one-bedroom with balcony condo unit here at Taguig City. As you enter the unit, what I really like about this, meron siyang 2-burner cooktop with range hood para safe, and meron din tayong overhead cabinets and underhead cabinets as well. So as you explore the kitchen, meron siyang countertop granite. So napakadali siyang punasan, madali siyang linisan, and meron na rin siyang sink na pwede nang gamitin pagpasok nyo dito sa unit. So may provision siya for the washer, and meron din siyang provision for the refrigerator as well. So, sobrang ganda ng unit. So across your unit, there's a bathroom over here. And as you can see, it is a shower and meron na siyang glass partition para hindi na tumatasik yung water. Meron din siyang water closet here and sink and mirror. And also, meron siyang provision para sa heater if gusto niyo magpalagay. So, it's really good here. Usable na siya, tapos furnished na rin siya upon turnover. So millionaires, this will be your dining area. So kasyang-kasya up to 2-person to 3-person here. Pwede kayo manood ng TV with air condition as well, kasama na provided by MegaWorld. So as you can see, this is the living area as well. So pwede kayo maglakad right here and magput kayo ng couch. So this couch, napakaluwag, kasya naman siguro up to 3-person. Pwede kayo mag-relax here, manood na ng TV, and I really like this unit kasi sobrang spacious ng unit and hindi kayo mapifeel na parang nag-crowded kayo. So, right now, ito talaga yung best one-bedroom namin sa Park McKinley West. So millionaires, this is your bedroom and this is where you will rest and mag-i-enjoy kayo mag-relax dito sa unit na ito, no? So upon entering your bedroom, you have a modular closet right here provided by MegaWorld, and the planks or the flooring will be ceramic planks para malamig at cool yung place nyo. You can also put entertainment system or entertainment TV right here, and all the aircon are provided upon turnover as well. So as you check the room, napakaluwag, napaka-spacious, napaka-relaxing. So depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo kulay ng walls and ceiling. And the bed can fit a queen size bed here. And kung gusto nyo ng king size, pwede natin alisin yung isang mga table here para magkasya yung king size bed nyo. So really, the bedroom is the best place para mag-invest dito sa unit ito kasi napakaluwag at may enjoy nyo talaga yung design ng unit. Hi millionaires! This is the exciting part of this unit where you can see your balcony area right here. So upon entering the balcony, you can really enjoy the view around BGC Skyline and Antipolo depending on the unit that you will choose. So really, this is really spacious, and upon trivia sa mga unit ng MegaWorld, pet friendly lahat. So pwede yung mga favorite pets natin dito at makapag-relax kayo sa unit nyo. That's it, millionaires! This is the 35 square meter unit of 1 bedroom, Park McKinley West. So again, enjoy and click like, share, and subscribe to my videos para sa mga magaganda pang condo investment here at Taguig City and all over the Philippines. This is Benedict Bunao, property specialist at MegaWorld at the Fort, and see you on my next video.